Yo, what is going on, chat? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this realistic CRT look that was used in the new Pink Dreads music video. So first, I'm going to show you guys how to do the same exact effect that was used in the Pink Dreads music video. And I'm going to show you an additional way how to do it without plugins whatsoever. The guy who directed / edited Pink Dreads, he used my CRT overlays pack and made this insane realistic look in the matter of just dragging and dropping and switching the blending modes. If you guys get the pack, the overlay that we're going to be using is CRT 36. This is the exact overlay that was used throughout the whole entire Pink Dreads music video. So as we can see, the overlay is in 4K, and I'm just going to scale it down, fit the clip. So you guys might be thinking, like, how do you know he used your overlays? Well, if we look here and we press it on and off, we can see the resemblance. It's really clear. If we swap blending modes by holding shift and plus or minus, we can go through the blending modes and we can see what different looks we can get. Alright, to get started, we're going to make an adjustment layer, Control-Alt-Y, and we're going to add Venetian blinds. Change the completion to 50, width to 12, and the feather to 2. Now we're going to duplicate the effect by pressing Control-D at the same time, and change the direction to 90. Change the completion to like 63, and the width to 10. Next, add CC lens, and change the size to around 400 and the conversions to around -200. We're gonna add another adjustment layer, Control-Alt-Y, and we're gonna add in transform, scale it to fit the clip, and we're gonna go back down to the first adjustment layer and we're gonna add in glow. Bump up the glow radius to around 30 and the glow intensity up a little bit to around 1.5-ish, depending on how it looks in your clip. And now add in a lumetri color, go to the curves tab, and we're gonna do an S curve by clicking on the points, one right here and another right here, and we should have something that looks like this. Now if you guys want it to be more exposed, more bright, we can add in a brightness and contrast, and we can bump up that brightness up a little bit more and the contrast a little bit as well. If your clip is in a different dimension, it's not going to be the same, so I highly recommend to cop my CRT overlays pack, which again was used in the Pink Dreads music video. Just drag it, change the blending mode to overlay, scale it down, and voila, we have this amazing CRT look in the matter of like 2 seconds. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.